Once the planning team has done their work, it's now time for the action teams in our model that we suggest to take over and take the work of the planning team and now develop specific measures, objectives, and targets. It's real important that the district develop action team leaders, someone to be accountable and making sure that the work gets done, as well as action team members. Generally, we would suggest that if you had 4 goals, for example, that the planning team gave the action team, that you'd have 4 separate action teams. However, in smaller districts, because of the staffing issues, you may have one large action team that works and divides up the work and the 3, 4, 5 goals, whatever the planning team gave you. These smaller groups of action team members, it's their job to answer the question, how will we know when we have arrived in this model? Action teams will look at each strategic goal or goal area identified by the planning team and again identify objectives, measures, and targets. The work of the action team will eventually be brought back to the planning team, so the planning team gets an opportunity to have some feedback on what the action team did, and a good interaction between the planning team and the action team does allow for a seamless plan, in our opinion.